Yes, Ms. Bad. Or anybody else. Does anybody know what is BODMAS? Okay, no problem. So, how many of you know addition here? How to add? Can I have a raise of hands? Okay. What about how to subtract? Minus? Okay, great. What about multiplication? Into? Okay. And division? Division? Great. All right. So you seem to know a lot. So today we will be looking at what is BODMAS. That is, so suppose, for example, if 1 second. My screen is visible, right? Okay. So can anybody read out the objective for me? Yeah, Mispa.
We will be able to learn and solve BODMAS based question.
Okay. Thank you so much. So, like if you saw in English, we read from left to right, right? So if when I asked Mishba to read, he began with we will, right? From WWBAT, right? So we are in English, we read from left to right. Similarly, in mathematics also, there is a rule basis which we can solve any long equation or any long maths problem, right? So understood? So in English, we follow left to right. So today we will be seeing
Hello, Ambika. Ambika, I will add you to breakout room. Meeting already assigned हो गया है. ठीक है? So you join that breakout room that I'm assigning you to. ठीक है? And Ambika, keep yourself on mute, okay? So you will get an invite now. Join ka. So click on join. Ambika, meeting join. Yes.
सब हमें एक ही इसमें आ गया. So in that scenario, हम कैसे solve करेंगे? Got it? Has everybody written down what is BODMAS? Okay. So, for example, again, when we say English, we read from left to right. Similarly, in mathematics, अगर हमें addition, subtraction, multiplication and division एक ही sentence में आ गया या एक ही problem में अगर चारों आ गए, in that scenario, we will be following this rule. That is, if I have to see only DMAS, I will first do the division, then I will do the multiplication, then I will do the addition, then I will do the subtraction. Yeah, am I clear? So if I have all four in one, I will first do division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Okay. Bracket अगर क्या होता है? Suppose in a problem we have a bracket, right? Then we will solve whatever is in that bracket. So अगर bracket में पहले addition रहेगा, then even if it is DMAS, हम पहले B करेंगे. BODMAS. Yeah. Has everybody taken this down? Has everybody taken BODMAS, BODMAS, and written what each of it stands? Yes. Can I get a thumbs up? Yes. Okay. No. Why, Mishba? You've not written it down yet. Writing. Right. Right. No problem. Take it down.
Everyone else, you can use virtual thumbs up. अगर आप अपना use नहीं कर रहे हो video, that's okay, but use virtual thumbs up. Thank you, Kushtama. Abhishek, Anjali, Kandu, and Ambika, you can also use.
Thank you. Has everybody else written? I'm not able to see the others. Will you be able to tell me, Mansi, if they have?
Yes, we are ready to move forward.
Okay. So, keeping this in mind, right? Let us now look at a maths problem. Yeah. So, if we have to look at in bracket 4 plus 3 divided by 2 into plus 3 into 2 minus 2, right? So, what did I say in English? We would have done left to right, right? But we will first be doing BODMAS. So BODMAS mein what comes first? Bracket. Correct? B is for, so we will first calculate the bracket, which is the 4 plus 3. Correct? So now we've got 4 plus 2. Okay, here it's changed. No problem. So we will, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Yeah. So we will not look at 4 plus 3. We will see it as 4 plus 2. Okay. So first we have solved the bracket. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Orders we will not look at today. So out of the BODMAS, we will only be looking at B, D, M, A, S. Correct? So the next is, after bracket is division. Right? So 6 divided by 2, which is 3. Okay. So am I clear till now? If you look at 4 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 2, we will first look at the bracket, which is 4 plus 2. Okay. We will first solve the bracket. After that, we will solve what? We will solve the division. Right? BODMAS mein first comes division. After that, we will solve the multiplication, which is the 3 into 2, which gives us 6, right? Then we will, after multiplication, we will then solve the addition, which is the 3 plus 6, which gives us 9. And in the end, we will solve the subtraction, which is 9 minus 2, which gives us 7. Yeah. Is it clear till now? Are you all able to understand? Right? So again, it is, keep thinking it like English only. हम English में कैसे by default हम left to right पढ़ते हैं, वैसे ही in BODMAS, whatever happens, we will first solve the bracket, then the division, then the addition, and then the subtraction. Yeah. So let us now practice once. So can someone tell me here, what will we look at first? Think BODMAS. What will we solve here first? Will we solve 4 plus 3 or 3 into 2? Okay, I can only see Mishba. Yeah, tell me. You can unmute yourself and tell me.
3 multiplied by 2.
Correct. Why will we do that first?
Because there is M first.
Correct. Very good. So we will first do 3 into 2, which is 6. Correct. And after that, we will do the addition, which is 10. Yeah. Very good. Someone else? If you don't have your video on, you can write it on the chat also. Somebody else. Come on. It's very simple. Don't get scared of the big number.
You can call out their name. So we have Anjali Kandu, Anjali Mathalapuram, Ambika, Abhishek, and Kushnama. So you can call their name if you want. Kushnama is answering on the chat.
Okay, Kushnama, can you unmute yourself?
I think she has some audio problem in her phone, so she won't be able to do that.
No
but
problem.
ask someone else.
Anjali Matlapuram, because I can see your face. Can you unmute?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, so what will we do first? Will we do 15 minus 6 or will we do 6 into 2 first?
6 multiplied 2.
Very good. Why will we do that first?
We will do left side.
Okay, why? Because it is?
It is BODMAS.
Correct. Because M comes before S, right? Board mass. So multiplication will come first, okay? So 6 into 2 gives us how much? Very good. Very nice. So we will do
you do first? Do you do the multiplication or do you do the subtraction?
Subtraction.
Muskan, why don't you tell me what BODMAS stand for? What does B stand for? In BODMAS, what does B stand for?
B stand for brackets.
Yes. What does O stand for?
Stand for
O stands for? You noted it down in your textbook right now, right? What does BODMAS stand for?
order.
Order. And what does D stand for?
B stand for divide.
Divide. And M stands for?
M stand for multiplication.
And A stands for?
A stands for addition.
Addition. And what does S stand for?
S stand for subtraction.
Correct. Very good. So in this equation, in BODMAS, what did we learn? That we will do the equation on the basis of BODMAS, whatever comes first. So in this equation, you told me that there is a subtraction and a multiplication, right? You subtract
Yes.
and you have to multiply. So in the BODMAS equation, what we just learned, what comes first, multiplication or subtraction?
Multiplication.
Correct. So which one will you do first?
Multiplication.
Correct. So now tell me, how will you solve this equation? What will be the first step that you will do? Multiplication or subtraction?
Multiplication.
Very good. So what will you multiply here?
6 multiply 2.
So what is the value of 6 multiplied by 2?
6 multiply 2. 12.
Very good. So the first step was 15 minus 6 multiplied by 2, where you got 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. Next, what will you do?
15 minus
15 minus
12.
Why will you do 15 minus 12? Because you multiplied 6 and 2 and you got the value of 12, correct?
Yes.
So the next step is 6.
ODMAS. तो हम पहले क्या करेंगे? M आता है पहले कि A आता है पहले?
M.
हाँ, तो हम पहले क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई. करेक्ट. सो हम क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 5 into 2. करेक्ट. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर?
10.
वेरी गुड. करेक्ट. सो हम पहले क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लीकेशन हो गया. वेरी गुड. अभी हम क्या सॉल्व करेंगे? 7 plus 10 करेंगे कि 10 minus 2 करेंगे?
7 plus 10.
7 plus. Very good. Again, then what is 17 minus 2?
70 minus 34. No.
No. 17 minus 2. Minus.
50.
Very good. Correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. So everybody, I'm sorry, I should have slowed down a bit. I'm sorry about this. Can everybody take down the steps here? I will take each equation. Sorry, I should have stopped slower. Has everybody take down the questions and take down the steps in your notebook?
So
Notebook
everyone
में
make
लिखिए
sure,
आपका.
हाँ, everyone make sure you're writing everything. After this class, आपने जो भी लिखा है, you will have to send me a picture. So make sure you're writing everything down. I want to see everything, okay?
Has everybody written this down? Can I get a thumbs up in the chat?
Ambika is raising hand.
Okay. Yeah, Ambika. Okay, you're done, is it?
Okay, just 1 second, Samyukta. Abhishek, which Abhishek is this? Abhishek, can you switch on your video? Oh, B section. Okay. Both of them have the exact same name. Okay.
Has everybody taken this down? I think Mishba has. Anjali has. Okay, I can see a thumbs up. Ambika, have you? Yeah? Okay. And Anjali, great. Thank you so much. So we will move to the next. You can see the screen, right? Take this down as well. Has everybody noted this down? Who's the one scribbling? Okay, thank you, Mishba. Okay, thank you, Anjali. Ambika, have you taken this down? Yes, I can't hear you, but I think you're saying yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to the next.
Thank you, Asif. Muskan is also done. Thank you, Muskan.
Teacher.
Rinki is also done. Okay. So before the What does B stand for, Asif? Does O stand for? Sorry, Asif, can you repeat yourself or can you just put it in the chat? You can just type it there. Order. What does M stand for? M. I am asking what does M stand for, Asif? Multiply. Yes. D stands for division. What does S stand for? S, subtract. And what does A stand for? Correct. Okay. Great. Thank you, Asif. Sumit, why don't you tell me what does O stand for in BODMAS?
Order.
Order. Great. And what does M stand for?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Okay. Thank you, Sumit. Muskan, what does B stand for?
Okay, thank you. So when you all do the homework, okay, before you all start the homework, write BODMAS on top so that you all know how the order is. Okay. Again, like I said, irrespective kaisa bhi aaye problem, you will only follow the BODMAS rule to solve any problem. Yeah. Just like how in English we do left to right, in maths we do only BODMAS rule wherever you are. Got it? All right. Yeah, over to you, Mansi.
Okay, Samyukta, can you just tell them about the question number 4? So it's slightly different.
Sure,
Like,
1 second.
you have 2 subtraction there. So which one to do first? So if you can tell them about that.
Question number 4. Okay. So we will, in the BODMAS rule, we will can do if we are starting, like there are 2 subtractions. In that scenario, we will do the first subtraction. Right?
Now, any, you can do any. You can do first, you can do last. Any, it's okay. Okay? So don't get confused. But first, remember, follow BODMAS. Don't go for subtraction first. When only subtraction is remaining, then you can pick any and do. Okay? Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Samyukta, for
Thank
being
you.
here and for taking the class. Everyone, did you learn? Do you understand BODMAS now? Yeah, I will have a test of BODMAS on next week. Next class is on Tuesday. After Tuesday, I will have a quiz for you. So practice these questions, do homework questions. Then you remember the test I took on Saturday. Try to do that also. Usme bhi BODMAS ke questions the. Try to do that also. So we can end the meeting now. Thank you everyone for joining in. I will reach out to you later. Thank you, Samyukta.
Thank you.
Guys, you can end the meeting. As in, you can leave the meeting. And I will also.
Bye, Didi.
Come on, leave the meeting. Come on. Everyone leave.
Orders, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So, Rinki, just to give you a brief, BODMAS is the order in which you solve any maths question, operation, equation, anything. Okay? Whenever you see an equation, you have to first see what are the signs that are there. And then in this order of BODMAS, you have to solve that equation. So O stands for, sorry, B stands for brackets. O stands for orders, which is square and square root. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. You can give me a thumbs up once you've noted it down.
Simran, are we done with everything?
Yes. So because Amrita joined us later, we're just quickly going through what BODMAS stands for.
Okay, if you need to, you can leave. I can continue with only Amrita. I can catch her up if you're getting late. That's all right.
Okay, because the rest of them are done with, I've given them the homework as well.
Yeah, so that's okay. Then everyone can leave. Thank you so much, Simran, for being here and for taking the class today. Everyone, did you learn BODMAS, basic BODMAS, very easy question, single digit?
Yes.
Did you understand how to solve? Yeah? अगर आप 3 की जगह 30 होगा तो we'll not get afraid. Okay, it's the same thing. Same तरीके से करना है. Yeah? All right. So Amrita, you stay. Everyone else can leave. Thank you so much, Simran.
Okay, thank you, Mansi. Thank you, everyone.
All right. Muskan, you can leave the meeting. Payal, you can also leave. I will quickly do this with Amrita. Okay. Amrita, let me open the slide and then I will just quickly take you through it. Where did she go? Okay, Amrita, can you see my screen? You can unmute yourself, Amrita. आप unmute कर सकते हो अपने आप को. Hello, Amrita, can you see the screen?
No.
You can't? Okay, you can stop the video, close your video, okay? And leave the breakout room also, okay? Leave the breakout room. I'll see you in the main room. Don't join the breakout room. Leave the breakout room and join me in the main meeting. Hi, आसिफ, मीटिंग एंड हो गया है, आप छोड़ सकते हो. आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है, डाउट है तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हो, अदरवाइज यू कैन लीव द मीटिंग. आसिफ, okay. Yes. Hi, Amrita. Amrita, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, I'm again sharing my screen and tell me if you can see it, okay? Okay, can you see the screen?
No, that is black.
Oh, okay. I think
I can see you.
I think it's the internet issue. What we'll do is I will send you the PPT. ठीक है, मैं आपको PPT send करती हूँ. Share the PPT with Raj and ask Raj to explain to you. He answered mostly BODMAS में सारे questions correct. ठीक है? You read the PPT, ask Raj to explain to you. After that, I will call you after you are done. After Raj is done explaining you, after you are done solving एक बार पे, फिर I will give you a call and then we'll talk about it. ठीक है? On phone. ठीक है? My God. Okay. And Amrita, I'll call you.